Hi, my name's Tolu. I'm about to get my makeup done by Flawed Makeup Artistry. I'm so excited.
So I've just outlined her natural brow with a pencil. I'm keeping to her natural brow shape, so obviously it doesn't look out of place on her eyes, as your brows do frame your face, so you need to ensure you try to keep to the client's natural eyebrow shape. I like to use foundation to define the eyebrows because I find it's more thinner, so it's more plorable. I can manipulate it a lot more than concealer. So I'm using a lighter foundation, just like 1 or 2 shades lighter, just to outline and define her eyebrows. If you want eyebrows that are on point, this is the technique. You need to define it with a foundation or a concealer. So I'm just applying some eyeshadow primer. This is going to help make her eyeshadow stay on longer and also make the colour more intense. So I applied the eyeshadow to her other eye, blended it out nicely, and now I'm just applying some glitter glue in the middle of her eyelid. I added white eyeliner to the bottom of her eyes just to make her eyes pop, and then black gel eyeliner on top again just to make her eyes pop even more. So I added her lashes and foundation, so just blending that in just to give the flawless look. So I am applying concealer to underneath her eyes. The concealer is a couple of shades lighter than her. This is going to help create the contouring look and give her definition. So I applied banana powder to where I applied the concealer previously, and this is going to help set the concealer and just make her makeup pop even more. Gives you that flawless finish. So I dusted off the banana powder. I added mineralize powder to the rest of her face and blusher to her cheeks. So what I done, guys, I added highlighter to her cheekbones just to make her cheekbones pop. I also added setting spray all over her face to make sure her makeup stays the whole day, and then the final finishing touches.
Can I
Yeah.
do it? Oh my gosh. Oh. Is this me? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Ah. I love it. I actually love it, guys. Hope you like it too. Definitely get in touch. She's really nice as well, and you know, so she knows what will work for your face, but I definitely love it and I hope you do. Yeah, so I'm off to my party. See you guys later.